pick out something special for a special someone. Oh, really? Wow, you came to the right place. Hey, we know that already. Okay. Anyway, well, well, we got a couple of necklaces like this. This here. Nah, it looks like a chain. She thinks you like pinkish. What? This? What do you mean, this lady? You mean this lady? Well, you're looking for something pink, and this is all I got. How about this? Ooh! Nice. I'll take it. How much it cost me? Well, since you got one item, it's 25 cents. If you got two, 50 cents. Was it three, it's 75 cents if it's 3 items. And then if it's 4, it's $1. Or 99 cents, whatever the other. Well, it's 25 cents for one item. So, hit the dough. I got something. There you go. Oh! Oh, there's the quarter. Well, see ya, boys. Wait up. You know what, I'll go separate. Was anybody like anything else here? Anybody got any sellers here? Why, do you have a cash register? No. I will get something. I got a dog friend. Dog friend? Huh, go on. Here's one. How's this? Nice! Well, you know this one represents. This represents a someone special. Gold means you have a first someone special, and then the second, and the silver means a second special. You know what? Here. 25 cents, please. Oh! Thank you. That's 50 cents total together, Woo! What about you, my friend, my Italian friend? I'm okay. Come on, get something. Hey, is that a T? Well, yes it is. T for... Hey, I can use that. T for my name. My name's Tony. Well, Tony. Maybe I'll take this. I don't need to get anything. You know something? You're gonna need it. Next, you know what? You'll see me again. I'll take that back. But I got something better. Just in case you found someone special, if you have a friend right now, no matter what, here's something. Well, okay, I'll take it. Will you force me to buy this? No, I'll just let you know. It's always up to you if you want to. If you're saying yes, then yes, pay me now. Why, certainly. Okay, that's it. Thank you for shopping at Pee-wee Bear's Cube of Jewelry. That's my name. That's the name here. Pee-wee Bear's Cube of Necklace of Jewelry. Folks, so come by. Everything costs 25 cents of one item. When you get more items at the same time, I charge you more. 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. Or maybe $2, who knows? So step right in. Alright, I'm out of here. Thank you, come again. Oh. Hey, you guys are waiting for me. What? You waited? Hey, you got something. Is that a rain? Damn it, it's too early. No, this ain't a rain, you moron. This is like a type of special necklace. Vanessa's necklace is pretty small, and this looks like a necklace size for her to put around. So I'm gonna buy. That's why I bought this. Nice. Wow, what a bunch of squares. Hey, should we head out? Oh, wait, we gotta change until we're over to selling things. Nah, let's go. Why do I gotta be fat? Oh, my head. You two coming? Right behind you, dude. Let's get in. Hey. Yeah, hey. Huh? Who are you? What? Oh, hello, who are you guys? Never mind that. Stay away from our stay away from our girls. Your girls? What? Look, what do you mean, up there? Yeah. You heard him. Below the bear? Why, who are these guys you're with? Well, these two basically once dated those two up there. The pink bear Jenny up there, this one over here, Hunk, dated. Yeah, that's right. And actually, that's Hank right here, dated Daisy once. That's right. Back off. Wow, so I used to date them. Well, they moved on and like us now. And, below, do you even know Vanessa? No, but I'll take her off your hands. Ha! Yeah, right. We'll take you down one by one, or just at the same time you all go flying and be running away. Let's get him! What the battle begin? Let the taking. Hey, back off, dude. I'm serious when it comes to taking women away. Take women away? What do you mean? Messing with them? You gotta mess with me. Okay. See, I'm messing with you. I'll mess with him. Not so fast. Oh! Alright, dude. Blue, let's go. They're ours now. Yeah. Hank. Look. Yeah, buddy. Let's see how this turns out. Why, hello there, ladies. Honk? What are you doing here? Well, I came back to get together again, huh? Well, good, I got you. Hank, what's going on? I told you, we're over. I mean, Honk. Hank. Stay easy. Hello, Phyllis lady. I'm Baloo. Well, I'm Vanessa. Say, look. Rain, you married? No. It's actually for... oh boy. You're coming with us. What? Oh no, kidnappers. Kidnappers. You be... come on, we're the loves of your lives. No. I like Plumber. You do? Yeah, I do. I totally do. I don't like these jerks. Oh, whoa, come on, they're jerks. We just ran into them. They were messing with us. Oh, nice try. Nice try. You were messing with me. You wish. Help! 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 Hey, what? Hey, boys. Tony, they're after our women. Women? They're after our friends, you mean? Whatever, but to me, Jenny is my type of woman. Oh! Hey, what? Let's a piece of their minds. Hey, Tony, Plumber, Spike. Yeah, you punk, beat it. You're the ones who are the punks. These are our friends. Beat it. Don't cause trouble. You asked for it. I'll take care of this hunk. Tony, this is not necessary for you to keep. Oh yeah? Oh! Hey! Look, the knuckles! That's it, dude. You're going down. Girl, stay right here. Ha! I'm taking the woman I love. She was mine first. She don't like you anymore. Oh yeah? Oh. Now give me back her gift that you took that I paid 25 cents with. You paid 25 cents for that? You kidding me? Well, go to Pee-wee Bear's Cube of Jelly over there in the corner near the anchor. I don't care. Whoop. Jenny, this is for you. Come there. Ah! I got your back, Tony. Oh yeah? Bring it on. Ha! Hey, over here. I got you. Hey, let me go. Hey, no. Yeah. Oh. Hey, my hat's gone. Gotta go get it. Sorry, my hat went flying, folks. Anyway, Tony's all yours. I already took care of Hunk, Pink Bear. What a freak. You know, man. Look, okay, Plumber. Go help Spike. You got it. Yeah. Vanessa, this is for you, sweetheart. Tony. 1, 2, 3. Ha! You're funny. My hero. Hero, eh? Oh boy, what am I thinking? Big Plumber was right. Arr! Arr! I know we're beating up a dog, but this dog is being a bad boy. Is that you, Spike? Yeah, go get him. Daisy, this is for you too. Hey Spike, go. Boo's got my gift. You got it. No, you not. Where's the ring? The necklace. Here. Oh. Here you go, Tony. My hero. Wait, I got something for you. Oh, Spike. Oh, nice. How cute. He got you something, Daisy. Oh. I also got you something, Jenny. Close your eyes. Okay. No peeking. What are you doing? No peeking. Alright, open up. Look down. Nice, it matches me. Yep, I thought about you. Pink as scum. Oh, stop, fool. Right. Vanessa, as a friend? Yes, Tony? As a friend, I got you something too. What do you mean, friend? Well, here. A ring necklace. Yep, I realized from where I bought it near Pee Wee Bear's Cube Jewelry over there. He said that someone special. That was a good thing in case I bought that. Honey. Yeah? You're so thoughtful and brave. Do anything for, you mean for you? Well, yeah, that's true.